Alright guys, a little project I'm working on. This is our Rockwood Roo hybrid camper, and very few complaints of the camper. It's lightweight and it sleeps a lot because we have a bunch of kids. And so this camper, I think, is actually, they call it sleeping for 11. And 11 adults or 12 children. So it's queen in the front. I'm too close to see, hold on. That folds down. That's a queen bed. The dinette turns into a queen bed. Queen bed, queen bed. And so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I guess 10, 9, 10, counting this. So sleeping for 10, I guess. The dinette is what I'm working on right now. It's a 2015. And of course, when they make stuff, they make as light as possible because this dry weight of this camper is like 4,500 pounds. And so, but many of the dinettes are made the same. So U-shaped dinette, table folds down, which is nice, turns into like a little coffee table, or it goes in to turn into the bed, or it stands up for the table itself. But how they put this together is literally, you have just regular old cheap, like a laminate top plywood, and then it's just glued down onto this. But the whole structural support, the parts of it that hold up the weight if somebody's on it, is just these wood members that sit in those lats. Well, our son that sleeps on this when we go camping, he's only like 105, 110 pounds, and I noticed that the wood is separating. And so you can see I'm coming in and I'm adding these brackets because literally all they have is that staples going on to the boards that hold up the weight of someone as they're sleeping on this table. You can see I ain't got to this corner yet. Anyway, I just went to Lowe's and just got some 90-degree brackets. And I'm going to put them on. Screw them on there, and I'm also taking my T-nailer, my Makita T-nailer over there, and I'm putting some in it before I put it in. So anyway, that should increase the strength of this significantly beyond what it just came with. It's just stapled. So if you've got one of these and you plan on one of the kids sleeping on it, or if you ever have a friend that's coming over to sleep on it as an adult, I would go ahead now, before the thing gets warped like mine, go to Lowe's, Home Depot, or wherever, get you some metal brackets that screw in, put them on every corner. And I see, because the way mine's shaped, I'm going to have to go back and get straight ones or something to do these two sections here, because the front is 3 small pieces of wood stapled together, but nothing in between. So you can see how they've gapped, because this thing's bowing. It's bowing down in the center, because when they put weight on it, there's nothing structurally strong that supports it, and these legs they're elevated off the ground when it's in that position. The weight is all sitting on those 3 pieces of wood, and so of course it's going to bow. It's probably still going to bow with these metal brackets on it, but this is going to be 100 times stronger than the way it came. So anyway, just a quick little helpful tip you may try.